Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. My name is Bhumika Arora and I'm here to have a small talk with you. Firstly, I say I am very glad to be a face of Intershala. I'm literally very happy to hosting this talk to tell you about the easiest way to earn your pocket money or to gain the experience. Everyone know the current scenario, right? This pandemic, this corona time, everyone knows. What I see is that this scenario is somehow a good opportunity for the student to do internship and as well as to gain the experience or knowledge. This will help them to explore their interest as well. All these things will help you in your career enhancement. So if you have a question like how can you utilize your time in the best way, I will say for the student, this is the first hand opportunity. They had an opportunity to do internship or gain experience. I myself is doing internship for my career enhancement. So if I say why part-time internship, basically in part-time internship, you just have to spend 2-3 hours a day for the work and rest you can do your studies and extra activities. It is like earning money, stipend or perks without affecting your actual routine. And yes, you can do this in your leisure time or in your free time. Like if you want to utilize your time, just do that. You have to just give 2-3 hours a day for work. If you want to give more, it's all up to you. I will say, but maximum I will say 2-3 is enough. Yeah. What I see is that it is a first step to be financially independent. Like with this small money income, like you are getting a stipend when you are doing internship, that small money income will help you to bear your day-to-day expenses and you don't have to depend upon your parent for that. You have your own money. Okay, and the other point, if I say why part-time internship, that it will help or it will help you in your resume as well. It will add now it will add value addition to your resume. When just to think when you are going for an interview and I will say just think you have applied for a job and you have also received the call for the interview and you are preparing one day before the interview for your stuff and all, like taking copies of resume and you're building up a resume. Just leave the copies of the resume. You are building the resume, you are making your resume, and in the work experience section, under the work experience section, you are listing the internships you have done. What effect will be that internship put upon your interviewee is matter the most. The resume should be attractive. More the attractive your resume is, more there are the chances of yours to get hired. These all are not time waste. Spending time on social media is a time waste. You can utilize your time by doing these internships. Did you know that around like 5 lakh upon the people, like above 5 lakh student have got part-time internship through Intershala and they're earning up to rupees 1,20,000 of stipend or their own income. Seems great, right? सुनने में इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. There are a lot of internship. Intershala provides internship in various fields. It's provided in marketing, research operations, graphic designing, content writing, corporate sector as well. You can choose according to your preference. Intershala is the world #1 internship platform. Student can apply to part-time internship completely free of cost. No cost is required in applying internship. Seems good? I will say it's a great opportunity for you all. How does Intershala work? Now you had a question key like how to apply, what to do. I will provide you a link. Register yourself there. Explore the internship. Choose according to your preference. Choose according to your interest. Apply and get hired. It's as simple as that. Okay, these are the two people who have does internship from Intershala, Mr. Ujjwal Agarwal and Mr. Nitish Venkatesh. They both earned stipend up to 15,000, and they brought their self Ujjwal Agarwal has brought DSLR camera with his own stipend, and Nitish Venkatesh has brought gift for his parents with his stipend. Now, what you are excited? Yeah, I know. I'm also like, it's a motivation for us. They both seems to be a motivation for us all. We all want to be a financially independent. I also want to be a financially independent. I am also doing the internship, and I will suggest you all to do the internship as well. So, here I am ending. This is just a small talk. If you have any query, feel free to ask, comment me, or DM me. I will be there to answer you. Thank you, everyone. All the very best, and have a good day. Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing great.